Top 5 Best Mini Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best mini portable car vacuum cleaner? If you received a new mini portable car vacuum cleaner, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best mini portable car vacuum cleaners on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The CNRR 998000PA Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and portable handheld device designed for efficient cleaning in cars and small spaces. It features an extreme suction power of 998000PA, effectively removing dust, crumbs, and debris. The cordless and rechargeable battery. Its lightweight design enhances portability and handling. The ergonomic structure allows for comfortable use during extended cleaning sessions. Number 2. The CNRR Car Vacuum Cleaner Mini 998000PA is a powerful cordless and portable cleaning device designed for home and vehicle use. It features a robust 998000PA suction motor that effectively removes dust, dirt, and crumbs. Its cordless design, enabled by a rechargeable battery, allows convenient cleaning without tangled wires. This vacuum also offers dual function. 0.5 cm. It is designed for easy handling and ergonomic use. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, it meets safety certifications such as CE. Number 3. The Senra New Car Vacuum Cleaner is a cordless and powerful cleaning solution designed for both vehicles and small spaces. Its key features include a strong suction capability that effectively eliminates dust, dirt, and crumbs, alongside a lightweight design weighing only 650 g for easy portability. The compact, handheld format allows for versatile use across car interiors and home surfaces. Made with durable materials, this vacuum is both eco-friendly and safe, as it contains no high-concern chemicals. Senra is a trusted brand, known for quality cleaning devices, offering a mini but powerful vacuum for diverse cleaning needs. Number 4. The SCUK Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, wireless handheld device featuring a suction capacity of 985,000 pascals, effectively cleaning dust and debris from various surfaces, including cars and homes. Its rechargeable battery allows for cordless operation, making it easy to use without tangled wires. With a weight of just 0.6 kilograms and compact, vacuum offers dual functionality, serving both as a vacuum and a blower, and is constructed from durable ABS material for long-lasting use. It is CE certified and free of high-concern chemicals, ensuring safety during everyday use. Number 5. This detailed summary outlines the key features of the brushless car vacuum cleaner, a cordless handheld auto vacuum designed for both home and automotive use. It boasts a powerful brushless motor that provides strong suction for optimal dust and debris removal. The cordless design, featuring a built-in rechargeable battery, offers convenience without the hassle of cords. Its compact and lightweight form allows for easy storage and handling, making it ideal for quick and efficient cleanups. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials, the vacuum ensures long-lasting performance and safe use. With simple one-button operation, it is user-friendly for all ages. Thanks for watching the video.